Hey everyone, Safe Signals admin here. Just want to show you another quick trade that we took on CTK. This was trading over USDT on the crypto markets. So we had a big sell off here, big downtrend here, making lower lows, classic sell off. So yeah, this hit bottom around 20 cents, and then we were just watching for reversal. And the reason we took this trade is because we saw the break of the trend line here. If we were to buy here, for example, it's just going to keep going lower and lower and lower. We need to see a sign of a reversal. I mean, here as well, you can see the even the RSI is showing like 20, 25, which means that it's oversold, but it keeps going lower. So you can actually see a slight divergence here. The RSI is making higher lows, but the price is making lower lows, which means divergence is here. So we saw the breakout here on the trend line. We saw a big candle here, for example. Big candle means the buy volume coming in and breaking the trend line, and then of course we have to wait for the retest of the trend line, and then we buy. So this is exactly where we got in, and then we rolled it up to around about this level for 200% return on 5x leverage. Yep. So just to show you the signal as well, so you can see. So we did have a stop loss signal before on Link for 25%, but made back almost 10 times as much on CTK. So this is why you need to risk the same amount on each trade, which means for every stop loss you need to lose the same amount of money, rather than just going big on here, then small on here, and then you make break even. If you're gonna risk $500 here, you have to risk $500 here. So yeah, this was on the 29th of June, just around about here. I think the time zone's a little bit off, but yeah. So looking at Bitcoin quickly, we can see there's just a big range right at the all-time highs, 110k, between 110 and 100k. So this is just forming a channel right here. We can see the channel high and the channel low around about here. So more than likely we'll expect Bitcoin to sell off around about here and then back up and either break out to the upside or break down and sell off again. But we don't know what's going to happen in the markets. No one knows, which is why we have to wait for confirmations. Like here, for example, this could be a sell. We sell here, and then we put the stop loss above the highs here, and then we target 2 to 1. And the reason we can take this trade is because the candle is already rejected here on the daily time frame. So it's more accurate measurement on the high time frame. So you can see here, rejection candle here, and then you take the sell. Rejection candle here, take the sell. So it's happened 2 times. The chance of it happening a 3rd time, highly likely. You can even keep the stop loss extremely small here, for example, because if it goes back up to these highs, then more than likely it's gonna break out, retest, and continuation up to 120k. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on the markets. If you have any other charts you want us to look at, just drop them in the comments. Otherwise, we'll keep watching the market. We have gold signals, forex signals, cryptocurrency signals, and TradingView indicator should be released soon. But if you want to get involved, you want to join our VIP, information will be in the description.